Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at matrices. A matrix is a set of numbers or elements arranged in an array or rectangular pattern. So whenever you have numbers like 1, 1, 2, 2, it's in a rectangular format. It is known as a matrix. A matrix is a set of numbers or elements arranged in a rectangular array or pattern. So this is an example of a matrix. You have 1, 14, 2, 3, minus 2, 4. See the way it is arranged. Rectangular format, rectangular array. That is a matrix. It can also be in this form. It can also be in this form. Or like a square like this. So whenever a matrix is in this form, which is this general form of a matrix, you can say that this is a 2 by 3 matrix. Why? Because it has 2 rows, row 1, row 2. So because of the 2 rows, 1, 2, it is 2. How many columns does it have? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So how do you name a matrix? By naming the number of rows first, then the number of columns. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. How many rows does this matrix have? 1, 2. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. So the rows go horizontally, whereas the columns go vertically. So how many rows? 1, 2. 2 rows by 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So that is what this matrix is. Now let's look at this other matrix. How many rows? 1, 2. Still 2. How many columns? 1. 2 by 1. Every 2 by 1 or anything, whether it's 4 by 1 matrix, once the column is 1, it is known as a column matrix. Then if you check out this is 1 row with how many columns? 1, 2, 3. 1 by 3. So once the row is 1, it is also known as a row matrix. So check out this. If you have only 1 column, we call it a column matrix. It could be 5 by 1, it could be 10 by 1, but call it column. Once this is by 1, column. But if you have 1 by 5, 10, n, call it row matrix because it's having only 1 row. If it is having only 1 column, we call it column matrix. Now we have 2 by 2. Once the row is equal to the number of column, number of rows equal to number of column, we call it a square matrix. So this is what we have. This is a square matrix because it has how many rows? 1, 2. I told us that the row is the horizontal. 1, 2. How many columns? 1, 2. So 2 by 2. If it is also 4 by 4, we call it square. If it is 5 by 5, we call it square. Once the rows, number of rows is equal to the number of columns, call it square. But this is typically a rectangular matrix where the number of row is not equal to the number of column, and the row or no, the column is neither 1. If they are 1, if the column is 1, you call it a column matrix. If the row is 1, call it row matrix. If the rows, the number of rows is equal to the number of columns, call it square matrix. So those are the major types of matrix that we have, but it, in essence, generally it has to be in a rectangular shape, which could be in any of these forms. Now let's take an example where we arrange a given data given to us in a table into a matrix form. Now check out this example. Arrange the records in the table into matrix. This is a basic record that is showing the number of sugar, wine, and akara that the families of Uzo and Ade have. So how many sugar in kg does Uzo have? 25. How many does Ade family have? 10.5. How many bottles of wine does Uzo family have? 5. What of Ade? 10. How many akara balls? Uzo family 30, Ade 22. So how can you fix this in a matrix? You see? So these are the columns, these are the rows, 25, 10, these 3 rows, the same thing. Just put the information exactly the way it is there. 25, 25, 10.5, 10.5, 5, 10, 5, 10, 30, 22, 30, 32. So that's how you convert a given data from table to matrix. And once you get it in this matrix form, you can do a whole lot of operations on it. And that is what we're going to be learning how we can do addition in matrix, how we can do subtraction, how we can multiply, how we can manipulate matrices. And matrices is a very important topic that you learn, because you're going to be seeing some questions from there in JAM mathematics or in further mathematics for WAEC or NECO. So we're going to be treating matrices and determinants. We also need it if you're studying economics in the university, or if you're doing engineering. You need some knowledge of metric. You need knowledge of metrics in order for you to do it, because there are some mathematics that you're going to be doing that has to do with matrices and determinants. So very basically, understand that a matrix is a set of numbers or elements arranged in a rectangular array or pattern. And this rectangular array could be normal rectangle, could be a single column rectangle, also known as column matrix, or a single column, a single row rectangle known as row matrix, or a square sort of rectangle where the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. And you can actually translate a problem given in tabular format into matrix form, so that you can do some calculations on it using the method that are just for manipulative matrices. Please, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button by this side of your screen. If you have any questions and concerns, drop it in the comment section. If you want to contact us or support us in any way, check the description part of this video so that you can get our details. Thank you. God bless you so much. Good luck.